Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to HVI Auto. My name is Kendall, for those who don't know me. We are starting our day off at VIR here for an End ALS charity event this morning. We've got the Super Trofeo on track, so really excited. It's kind of, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it'll be really cool and just exciting to see how the Trofeo does on track. Dan was able to get it done and complete it all yesterday, Thursday. I know he worked his butt off to get the thing ready. So we're here this morning just making sure the car is good, and then we'll probably head back to the shop. But let's go ahead and get some laps in. Ooh. Oh, that's sick. And there's a Super Trofeo. Yeah, that's our guy. This 1 Series Shadow is brought to you by Evan Wiles. Could be you, Evan, but you won't commit. So many cars here. This is all for the good cause, too. So it looks like they're about to get a group picture from up there, and then we start. I think he's used to it. Love that Cayman. Insane amount of cars here. You got a couple of Supra CTSV brand, and they're both blue. I love that. So he just got back from running his first session, ran a 2-minute lap according to the Motec system. Dan went ahead and checked for any leaks. So far it's doing really well. Very impressed with this car, and I think our guy's having fun with it. A lot of people have stopped by to look at this car, so it's doing well. Pretty happy with where it's at right now. So we actually just a little bit ago got done with some parade laps, and that was a lot of fun. I've never been in that kind of car, so I'm going to insert that clip here so you can see and get an understanding of what it's like to be inside the Super Trofeo. Dan is just checking temps and pressure right now after each cycle, just so he can understand how the tires are doing. These are used Pirellis from the previous owner. Our car's doing really well. I wonder what time he just put down. He was flying on this one. He moved up to the red class from his previous blue class. So the car's been doing absolutely fantastic all day, which is awesome. It's pretty much what we wanted. We are getting ready to head out. I'm gonna do one more session, just watching, getting some pictures and videos for you guys. Then we're gonna head back to the shop. But so far, a really good day for the Super Trofeo. Really pleased with how this thing is working out. It's also really
paddock final call for red.
So the really cool thing is our client got to go up into the red group, so now he's running even faster. And he's so comfortable with the car. It's so good and awesome to see him get really comfortable behind the wheel. Obviously it's a different car, but he feels almost right at home. And that's what we want to see. Is we're gonna get a few more clips of this session, a few more pictures, and then we're gonna head out. A stock car. I'm really impressed by this Cadillac CTSV. It's a brand new one that they're running on track. Wish it was a black wing, but off up there. Someone cut right through. So if you know VIR, this is the leadway up to the S's. There are the villas up there. It's almost like a rite of passage to cut that grass up there. 2002 is doing such a good job. Eddie's in the red group, I'm so proud. Here comes the Lamborghini. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you guys need any help with track prep, either pre-track or post-track work, let us know. We'd be happy to get you guys sorted. We are also available for transport to and from the track. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.